Kindle Paperwhite, the 6.8-inch e-ink display, which has been a staple of the Paperwhite lineup, now offers even better contrast and clarity. The screen is sharp with a 300 ppi pixels per inch resolution, ensuring that text appears crisp and clear, almost like reading from real paper. A significant improvement in the 2024 model is the enhanced adjustable warm light feature, which allows users to customize the color temperature of the display from cool to warm tones, reducing eye strain during nighttime reading. The newest model can last up to 10 weeks on a single charge, depending on usage. The 2024 Paperwhite includes all the familiar Kindle features, such as WhisperSync X-Ray and WordWise. The device comes with 16 gigabytes of storage, which is ample for storing thousands of books, and even some Audible audiobooks. Wi-Fi connectivity is standard, but the option for cellular connectivity, which was available in earlier models, is no longer present in the 2024 version. The Kindle Paperwhite 2024 retains the IPX8 rating, making it waterproof and resistant to immersion in up to 2 meters of fresh water for up to 60 minutes. It grants easy access to a vast library of ebooks, including a large selection of free titles with a Kindle Unlimited subscription. Additionally, the integration with Audible allows for a seamless transition between reading and listening. Discover the detailed features of this product by clicking on the link in the description. You'll be amazed by its unique features.